Manufacturing in motion. Interlocking cycles of activity that create exceptional value, enabling people and driving towards a sustainable and prosperous future. With services for connectivity, security, operations, design and ESG, Fujitsu will help you be more productive, innovative and successful. As materials arrive on site, they are automatically inducted into a unified network of processes and operations, with high-performance Fujitsu private wireless networks to ensure constant connectivity. Fujitsu technology delivers complete asset, material and tool tracking, giving you control over all activities. Data-driven operations require operational technology security and advanced threat protection, which Fujitsu provides from its state-of-the-art network of security operations centers. Fujitsu's industrial metaverse is a fully immersive solution for designing, operating, virtually training engineers, and implementing factory layouts and processes. Fujitsu's holistic digital thread environment enables you to meet and exceed your operational OEE and ESG goals. At Fujitsu, we believe in putting people at the heart of the business. And with our digital tools, teams can take personal growth and continuous improvement to a new level, helping to evolve the business to new heights of performance. Fujitsu, manufacturing in motion.